Starting around 06 October 2023, Jasmy coin certainly is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, or so they really thought. Jasmy generally has in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $181,636,397, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,074,496, which especially is genuinely huge. This generally makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, for the most part positioning at 145 in the digital money market in every way that really matters, enormous way. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what essentially is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Jasmy coin by and large be especially worth in 2023, or so they generally thought? Is Jasmy coin a wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a by and large significant manner? Will Jasmy cost generally outperform its untouched genuinely high in a fundamentally significant manner? These most certainly are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023 as per the Jasmy coin conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Jasmy cost in a real sense is supposed to sort of cross a sort of normal value level of $0.005, the normal especially least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to be $0.004, or so they sort of thought. Besides, Jasmy can for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0.005, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004, which certainly is genuinely huge. While the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.004, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy value conjecture September 2023. The Jasmy coin estimate for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may basically arrive at in every practical sense greatest worth of $0.004, with a sort of least cost of around $0.004, or so they basically thought. Discussing the especially normal value Jasmy can sort of stretch around $0.004 for September. Further appearance how Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004 in an essentially enormous manner. Jasmy coin value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could really stretch around $0.005, showing the way that discussing the very normal value Jasmy can essentially stretch around $0.004 for September, especially further appearance how Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004 in a kind of significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 sort of is $0.004, with an extremely normal cost of $0.004 in a genuinely significant manner. Jasmy value figure November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Jasmy coin sort of is supposed to sort of arrive at a kind of least value worth of $0.004, showing that Jasmy value conjecture September 2023. The Jasmy coin gauge for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0.004, with an especially least cost of around $0.004. Essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Jasmy cost could for the most part arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.005, with the kind of typical cost around $0.004, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin by and large is explicitly anticipated to essentially reach at an especially least worth of $0.004 in December 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge. The Jasmy cost could generally arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0.005, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023 in an essentially significant manner. Jasmy coin pretty past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been fundamentally diminished by 1.05% in its really current worth, exhibiting how might Jasmy cost in a real sense outperform its untouched height, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Assuming that we for the most part look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap certainly is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin sort of is confronting an exceptionally difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, or so they basically thought. The Jasmy essentially is down to nearly 7.62% in the especially most recent 7 days, showing how the Jasmy fundamentally is down to nearly 7.62% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, which truly is very critical. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for past genuinely couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have all things considered solid essentials. However, we don't for the most part imagine that it would a productive resource and fundamentally transient in an all things considered huge way. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy certainly diminished by 45.855%, dispensing with an incredible exceptionally normal amount of $0.003 from its truly current worth, or so they sort of thought. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be an essentially really great in every practical sense purchase a valuable open door for extremely fast speculation, genuinely further appearance how moreover. The minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 in a real sense is $0.004, with a fundamentally normal cost of $0.004, or so they in a real sense thought. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 29.15%, and the cost especially coursed from an in every practical sense, least especially normal cost of $0.005 to for the most part greatest certainly normal cost of $0.005 in the truly beyond 90 days, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. In by and large most recent 4 months Jasmy coin in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, showing how in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Jasmy coin truly be certainly worth in 2023, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Subsequently, we in a real sense feel that comparable pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. As per the practically the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin basically is expanded from 4 months, further appearance how this unexpected down truly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time,